Starting fresh in a new space is exciting, but without a solid plan, it's easy to make costly home decor mistakes. In this video, we'll walk you through 10 common pitfalls to avoid when designing your new home. 1. Do not underestimate the budget. Shopping for home decor without a clear budget can lead to disappointment. It's easy to overspend on a single item, leaving little room for the rest of the space. 2. Hold off on the paintbrush or wallpaper. Painting walls first can lock you into a style that might not mesh with your furniture and fabrics. Choosing colors after selecting textiles ensures a coordinated look. 3. Don't wing it. Without a plan, decorating often leads to mismatched items and a disjointed vibe. Planning out your space helps ensure everything flows together beautifully. 4. Size matters. Don't ignore it. Furniture that's too big or too small for a room can throw off the entire balance. Make sure your pieces fit the space properly. 5. Leaving nature out is a miss. A room without natural elements can feel flat. Adding plants and organic textures can instantly bring life to your space. Want a space that feels truly yours? Discover design trends that blend style, function, and sustainability. Ready to find your perfect decor vibe? Take our fun style quiz. Just click the link in the description. 6. If you don't like it, ditch it. Hanging on to items out of obligation can clutter your space both physically and emotionally. Only keep what brings you joy. 7. Don't underplan wall hangings. Artwork adds character to your space, but hanging it without thought can make the room feel chaotic. Plan your art placement carefully. 8. No layers plus no depth equals no visual interest. Flat spaces lack warmth and personality. Layering textures and materials adds richness and interest to your room. 9. Ignoring function for style. A beautiful but impractical design can lead to frustration. Think about how your space will function in addition to how it looks. 10. No light layering. Relying on a single light source leaves a room feeling flat and incomplete. Layer different lighting types for a well-rounded dynamic space. Which tip caught your eye? Subscribe for more inspiration and tips to make your home shine.